Hi guys, welcome to another episode of Fitness for Transformation. In today's How To Thursday, we're going to learn how to perform heel taps. Let's go ahead and take it down to the ground and get into our starting position. Go ahead and lie on your bum, lying on your back here. Knees are bent, feet are up. I like to have my heels be close to where my hands can touch them once my arms are extended out to my sides. Our starting position is going to be a crunch. So our shoulder blades are off the ground, our neck is neutral. Make sure you're not straining your neck here. Once you've found yourself in this starting position, you can begin. First up, we begin by coming to our right heel, tapping our foot, returning to that starting position before we switch over to our left side. That is one set. Let's go ahead and do a couple of sets back to back to see how they flow together. Find your starting position. Shoulder blades off the ground, core is engaged, neck is neutral. First, right side, then the left side. Looking for a nice side crunch as you touch each foot. Make sure you're alternating, focusing on that core engagement to keep you off the ground. Make sure you're also focusing on not straining your neck, as that is extremely important. Focus on your breathing. Find your strength through some breaths. And once you're done, go ahead and slowly release, bringing your upper back, shoulder blades on the ground. And that is how you perform heel taps. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you learned something new, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I post instructional fitness routines every Monday, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, and I look forward to seeing you next week. Thank you for watching.